Welcome back to our JavaScript tutorial series. In this episode, we're diving into one of the most powerful and essential concepts in JavaScript: functions. Functions help us organize our code, make it reusable, and improve efficiency. Whether you're building simple scripts or complex applications, understanding functions is a must. In this episode, we'll cover everything you need to know: how to define functions, pass parameters, return values, and even explore modern features like arrow functions. By the end, you'll be able to write cleaner and more efficient JavaScript code. So let's get started.
What is a function? A function is a block of code designed to perform a particular task. You can reuse the same function multiple times instead of rewriting code again and again. Here, we've defined a simple function named greet. It doesn't take any input and simply logs a welcome message to the console. This block of code won't run on its own. We need to call the function to execute it. Now we're calling the function using its name followed by parentheses. This will trigger the code inside the function, and you'll see the message printed in the console. We can call the function as many times as we want. This version of the function takes a parameter called name. When we call greet and pass a value like Ramesh or Pankaj, that value replaces the parameter and personalizes the greeting. In this example, the function add takes two arguments and returns their sum using the return keyword. We store the result in a variable called sum and then print it to the console. This kind of function is useful when you want to get a result from same calculations. Here, we've defined a function as an expression and stored it in a variable named mul. This is also called an anonymous function because it doesn't have a name of its own. You can still call it using the variable name. Arrow functions are a shorter syntax introduced in ES6. The function sub does the same job as a regular function but in a more concise way. This syntax is great for small single-line functions. Variables declared inside a function using let or const are only accessible within that function. If you try to access X outside test, you'll get an error. This is known as function scope. Also note that when we are redefining the variable X outside the function block, the program is not throwing any error. Even when we use const keyword to define the variable inside the function block, we can again define the same variable outside the function. In the next episode, we'll jump into arrays, another core concept of JavaScript. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice by writing your own functions.
That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this presentation, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you soon in the next video. Take care and bye for now.